We just did the transmission in this truck. Truck's out for like not quite a year. It doesn't want to start. We got good fuel. It's got a brand new pump just before I got parked. We got good fuel pressure coming up. Come right to there. Right to there. And we're not getting nothing through our fuel regulator and our injectors. So I popped this off. That goes on there, obviously. Should have been filming. I went and picked up a rebuild kit. We will get these two injectors out of here, and clean everything up, and rebuild it. And then hopefully the damn thing will start. We don't even know if this transmission that I put in works. It's a whole lot of what the fucks are going on here today. That's all the money I have left after having to spend it all on this truck. Hey Americans, check it out. That's some of them famous Canadian loonies. It's loony because it's got a loon on it. Caribou? Yeah, it's a caribou. Is it a moose? Me. Some brother of a pedophile? That's got to be a new one. How did that get on there? Got a little screen here. Doesn't look, light's not the best. It doesn't look that dirty. Anyway, next one. Not overly dirty either on the screen. Get this off here. Place that gasket there. Get all this gasket all cleaned up. Wrong size. Big spring under here. There. I'm guessing something in here is the reason. This thing's not working. Oh, yeah, got that. Feel the spring right away when it's ready to go. That's dirty in there. We reuse the spring, throw out the diaphragm. And just a look on the inside of the little bowls, make sure that those aren't dirty and full of gross crap. They look okay. Well, we'll have to make sure everything's clean when we clean out that gasket. Probably stick a rag underneath. I see we've already fucked up. Whoops. Okay, this guy's all cleaned up, put back together. Made sure that bottom gasket wasn't rippled or crimped as you're trying to hold the spring in there and get those screws in. Make sure you put that gasket back on as well. That one. That's what I'm talking about. I still got to clean up the other end and clean up the injectors themselves. We'll call that clean enough. And I got the shit out of there. Not bad. Professional. So we got the big O-ring sits here. This little O-ring here to change. And put the new filter on. And I think I'm going to try to blow out the inside by putting power on each end, just tapping it, and put the air to the bottom here. You can try anyway. Make sure that they're working, or we know they're working. Make sure they're clean. When you're torquing all these bolts back up, you have to, it slowly pushes the injectors down, like squishes them into place. So you have to really work yourself around. Just go till one's like starting to get a little tight. Move to the other side. Move to the back. Move around. Move around. Move around. And then when you're all done, you gotta torque them to 1 million foot-pounds. Click. 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 Well, stick those in so I don't lose them. I'll leave them loose for now. Let's try this thing. Maybe it's failure time. Wah, wah, wah. Keys on, pumps on. No gas shooting everywhere. That's good. Cycle the key a couple times, just for shits and giggles. Oh. Woo! Fireball. What the fuck? Okay, new day, new me. I already tested right at the throttle body for power. Not getting any when you're turning the key over. I'm starting to wonder if the computer, what is it, the programmable something in the ECM is telling the truck not to give fuel because it doesn't like that transmission. So I disconnected the battery. I'm going to disconnect the transmission, power, reconnect the battery, and see if it'll start. I don't know. Grasping at straws at this point. Everything else seems to be good. So, and it ran before. Let's try that. I should note the giant fireball was probably just the gas from when I pulled the throttle body injectors and everything out. There was gas that spilled down into the intake. Okay. Transmission's unhooked. Same shit. Same shit. I am fresh out of ideas, and it's only 8 a.m. I just work on that thing. It doesn't have a computer. It's cold in here. Well, it would appear I lied, but I was incorrect. I do have power to the injectors. It's supposed to have 12 volts. I got 11.88, so I'm going to call that good. This instead of test light. I don't have one of those Noid lights. I'm going to go underneath. I'm going to see if I missed a ground cable or something. A little ground somewhere. But maybe it was on the back of the transmission. Maybe the ECM is not getting enough ground to send a signal for these to pulse. Maybe. I'll check that quick. So after all that checking and researching and figuring out how this thing actually like pulses and blah 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 blah, right down here is a ground. The end on the one ground wasn't there. I don't know. I don't remember taking it off, but whatever. I must have. So that ground's just sitting there. Then that other strap you see goes down to the frame right there. They're pointing right there. Well, it's not grounding out. So I put a little cheater wire on here. Went straight to there. You know, they got these stupid extra connectors. I'll do away with those later. Anyway, check this out. Yeah. Stupid ground the whole time. Well, that was an unnecessary headache. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Come back for more next time. Oh, what the fuck? It died. My janky ass wire came off the ground there, so I redid it, actually connected it. I was about to leave the house here. I was like, oh, I never did show them that it still ran. Woo. Fire's right up. So this time, for real. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Come back next time. Later.